How's it going, everybody? Mike with the Cleveland County Board of Furniture Company, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I am hungover as fuck. Time for another weekend shop update. This week has been all about the countertop. I can I'm very happy to say that all the pieces are made. They're sanded up to 220. All the detail work is done. Tomorrow is the big deal, big day. It's a big deal too, but it's a big day. Tomorrow I plan on coming out in the shop first thing in the morning, cranking up the temperature, get it up to here that 68 to 70 range, which is ideal for that. And we're gonna start laying down the hard wax finish in all all four pieces. Put those in, I'll put that on tomorrow. I'll use my 11-inch buffer with the white Scotch Brite pad. I'll work all that in, do all the hand detail. That'll probably take a few hours, and then let it sit for a week with the temperatures just right. Supposed to be in the 40s this coming week, so it won't be too hard to get the shop raised up that warm. So we're really excited to get this installed. I'll give a call to the homeowner tomorrow, see where they're at with the remodel. If they're not gonna get installed, at least get delivered over there to them. So I know they're doing a pretty big remodel, so I'm really excited about that. What else? While making this, because the way the pieces slide together, I needed a heavy mallet. So I went ahead and I grabbed some of the offcuts from this and made a mallet. Something's got some heft to it. This weighs a few pounds. But the key is it's the same material as this. So what I'll do is, when I'm joining it together, little love taps to beat that together. Just glue up some pieces. Inlaid the handle goes all the way through, so nice heavy mallet. This is something that every wood shop should have. It's all something that's a good project for if you're a beginning woodworker. So I've got mallets. This is the first mallet I've ever made. This mallet is left over for a buddy of mine, Joe. He had some old oak in his house from the 1800s. I made a tabletop for his mom. First table I ever made for an awesome lady. And they still have that table today. That was probably close to 20 years ago, 15 at least years ago. And we made some. This is made out of oak that's probably hundreds of years old. And then I have another one. This is one I made on the lathe. This one I use a lot. This one here is probably 6 or 7 years old. I like this one because I like to set it flat, but this is more like for my chisels and stuff like that, because I can choke up on it, or I can hang down and really get some power behind it. So this is a real nice one. Excuse me. And then this one is the one I made today. So yeah, I'm not sure what kind of mallet it is. I just put a simple oil finish on it. I protect it. It'll be beat to shit within no time. But if you're looking for a good project, if you're a beginning woodworker, make a good mallet. Because something you're going to use and something that'll help you hone your skills. The only thing I wish I had was a nice piece of leather put on here, which maybe I'll see if I can't find some leather. Put a piece of leather on the main striking face to help protect the wood and help deaden the blow against what you're hitting. Yeah, that sounds right. So yeah, so the mallets. So mallets are a great project. What else? I made a Buckeye bottle opener this week. I was in the shop and I got as far as I could with this, and what didn't feel like going inside and watching TV, so I knocked out a Buckeye bottle opener. A pretty cool piece of burl Buckeye. It was left over from my friend Lauren and Jen's charcuterie board I made for them. So I just took that and made a little Buckeye bottle opener. It is for sale. It's got a nice hard wax finish on it. It's for sale now, and it'll also be at the upcoming Ice Fair in Vermillion next Saturday. I'll put the information right here for that, the date and the time and all that shit. Boom, there it is. I like that trick. It's right there. I said, it's been a crazy, crazy night. Celebrated my good buddy Dave's birthday last night with some friends, and yeah, gotta make sure I eat before I drink in the future. But regardless, so next Saturday, Vermillion Ice Fair. It's a great time. All the local businesses have artists come, and they do some great ice carvings. And I'll be set up at Harbortown Trading Company. My good friend Fran. Yeah, my good friend Fran. I said it right. Usually I got to say it 5 times to get it right. I'll be setting up at her shop, Harbortown Trading. I think it's 11 to 4 or whatever I put right here is what time it is. So stop in. I'll have cutting boards, charcuterie boards, bottle openers, some cocktail smokers. I think I have a couple of grill scrapers up there. So yeah, it's a good time. Then Rudy's is right next door. Go over have a burger. See what else. The end table project. So once this is done, next week, while this is curing, I'm going to jump back onto my friend Dustin and his family's end tables using the white maple cookies with the walnut butterflies for stability. Try and get those done next week. That might have to wait until we get back from vacation, but those are 90% done. All you gotta do is build the bases. I have the pieces for the base. We're doing the gas pipe bases, legs. So get that done too. But that project's looking really good. I enjoy it. This is probably one of the most prettiest things I've made in a long time as far as furniture goes. So get that done. And like I just mentioned, the month of February, we are taking our yearly, my wife and I work every day of the year. We work and then we take off. This time we're taking off just shy of 2 weeks. We're going to go down to the islands, enjoy the warm weather, do some scuba diving, and we're sitting on the beach and relaxing. So that's the first 2 weeks in February. Then I come back, and then the focus is going to be on the shop floor. It's getting worse by the minute. So the plan is the last 2 weeks of February, I'm going to shut the shop down. I'm going to take everything from here. We're going to move it over there, put a whole new floor in this building, and then move everything from over there, over here, put a whole new floor, and get it buttoned back up. Because even when we build a new shop in the spring up front of the property, this building still needs to be, usable, because right now it's very treacherous. I thought I broke my leg the other day, so I made a cup this week. One of the greatest ladies I know, she ordered a cup for her grandson who's in a fraternity down at Ohio State University. So I got that knocked out. I got some other cups that were ordered that are gifts, so I can't post a picture. But yeah, I did a batch of cups this past week. I did a couple flasks. I had I can't show the pictures yet because there's a wedding coming up, and someone who watches this video, I'm pretty sure, is in that wedding party, and you're going to get a flask, a laser engraved stainless steel flask, powder coated laser engraved stainless steel flask. So knocked a bunch of those out. I'll share pictures of those in the next video. And I also this week started down there on the floor is the blank piece of wood for the March Secret Sign of the Month. Good friends of ours. I don't want us to give it away because I say too much, you'll know who it is, or they'll know who they are. I enjoy the surprise. So yeah, got the design all done because this is also good friends of my wife as well. I have her input, so she's gonna sign off on the design. I got the blank main, so we'll get that sign started when we get back from vacation for March. So anyway, that's it. A short shop update this weekend. Everyone have a great week. I'm gonna finish up in here and go inside, and I'm going to drink some water and try and hydrate and take probably about a bottle of aspirin. So anyway, have a great week. I'll talk to you later.